Hi boys and girls, now we have arrived in the first place
And we are in
Masjid Agung Jawa Tengah.
Okay, Miss Sola, Masjid Agung Jawa Tengah is one of the example artificial environment. Why? Because this is a building. A building is a structure that has walls and a roof. Can you see the walls and the roof, boys and girls?
Okay, why we are now here, Miss Pia?
Yes.
It's because Indonesia has so many different cultures and religions. So this is an example of diversity in Indonesia. So every Monday, Christians go to churches for praying. Every Friday, Muslims go to this mosque to pray. Okay, so we are different, but we are united in Indonesia.
It's good.
Hello boys and girls, now we are in the place, one of places in Semarang City, yeah? As you know, can you guess what is behind me? It's kind of museum in colonial, Dutch colonial, yeah? It used to be, long time ago. The first time, the place was something like office for KAI, Kereta Api Indonesia. So it was the first place of KAI office in Indonesia. Now it become a museum. As you can see, you can find this place. This is in the middle of our city Semarang. In front of them is Tugu Muda. So you can just visit and that's all. Before we went to the city, right? So I'd like to ask you about the differences when we were in the city and now we are in the nature, in a place of nature. I'd like to show you about natural environment and also natural resources. As you know that plants and animals also involved in natural resources, right? Then, can you differentiate the sound when we were in the city and how is the sound here around us where we have a lot of trees and it's quiet place here, yeah? So you can differentiate between them. Now I want to show you about the animal and plants of the natural resources on Earth.
There are two types of natural resources. The first one is renewable natural resources and the second one is non-renewable natural resources. Now, I have plants around me. I also have a soil and also stone. Which ones are renewable and which one is non-renewable? Can you guess it?
Living things are things that are alive. The characteristic of living things, they are moving like the monkey. Can you see it? Yeah, they are growing, they are respond, and they are reproduce. So you can see the monkey behind me. Yeah, this is the living things. They are moving. Yeah, you may see. So not only the monkey, plants around me also. This is the example of living things. Yeah, this is one of the example artificial environment. Reservoir, like you know, we have learned about reservoir. What is the benefit of reservoir, boys and girls? Yeah, one, hydroelectric power. What else? A water supply and irrigation, and it can be also recreation for the family who wants to spend the time here. And then it can be the opportunities for boater, fisher, and swimmer.
Well, instead of using the reservoir for hydroelectric, reservoir also help us to renew the energy. Yeah? As mentioned before, that we can use the water energy to make a water turbine, so we can move the hydro or water turbine to produce electricity. So this is one of benefit to make or renew the other energy and have an alternative energy in our life. Instead of water, I want to ask you about the alternative energy of in our life. There are sunlight as a solar energy. It can be the alternative energy in our life. Then it can be wind, so it can move the wind turbine. So this is the example. The place where I am right now is one of the places that we can use and help the human to make an alternative energy.
Here we go.
Beautiful field trip.
I hope you learn a lot and have fun.
God bless you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.